Oh, it's still opening. Tekla Structural Designer. No man, this software has auto save document. Is it? Is it this software or my PC? I think it is my PC. Auto save document.
It's your PC. There are always settings. You just set it like that.
Let me validate and I redesign again. Hope the loadings are still there. We go for load. Did is there. We go for impost. Impost is also there. It's okay. Let me go to design. Design all static.
So those are the only loadings we
All
impose
things
on
passed last
building.
time. Hey, yeah. The imposed and the dead load. That is the if loading can the seismic loading. I mean the seismic and the wind load. That those ones we are going to do them. It's passed very well. Always make sure you do what? You do preliminary member sizing if you can. It's so good. It's now finding, it's getting for me the properties of this column. And the PC is still not stable. You click, but you don't find the response.
And yet you have restarted it.
Yes. So I don't know how I'm going. I can do that now. Then at least it will be okay. Close man. Can't. Canceling this thing also, man.
Just restart you were going to restart it.
I restart again. Imagine now, canceling first, try canceling it.
You had opened a lot of things there. You try even closing that Tekla again and you open it.
Nothing, man, nothing that.
You again restart.
No, let me not restart.
You restart.
Is it the option of restart?
Does it take long to restart?
No, it doesn't, but Yes, yes.
Mm.
Mm. This thing.
Is it
And
okay now?
today has been a bad day.
Indeed.
It has been a bad day at least. Yeah, at least we should.
It is still freezing.
No, it's opening the software. Mm.
Now it should be responding very well.
At least, man, at least. So okay, now let me first design it. Design all static.
Because for gravity, you had said it is what?
Yeah?
That one for all gravity is for what?
All gravity. This one of all gravity. Those members subjected to gravitational force. Like now you see if you see beam, this beam is being supported. Beam is supported somewhere here. So for it to just design for these members which are coming down, not this one being supported. So you just design all those. You use design for static to design, and also that's right. No, I think that sound by itself.
Hmm?
Is it the same thing? Man, I don't know. Mm. Yeah, this is good now. This is good. It has designed it very well. Slab reinforcement is telling me it has designed the slab with a bar of H16. You understand?
H16.
H16, or let me say it's like This is like T16.
I'm seeing H6.
I mean, I mean H6, not 16. So now this number has failed.
That's what happened actually to mine also.
Yeah, it has designed. Yes, it also the same thing happened on it. This is the roof.
It was 100 thickness.
The thickness is 100. And I find for it it failed because of the thickness this way. But in reality, it is supposed to pass. Check plan one. Yeah, now it's saying the span effective depth ratio. The depth. Here the problem is the depth, as I said. This slab, the depth is very, very small. The 100 is small. So for this span, at least you can use this you can use maybe 150. Okay, it's considered for us. We are considering this to be a roof. So for us, it has considered it has taken it as a slab. Get a point. That is the problem. Otherwise, everything is covered. No, what else? What else? Can we go through the interactive design again?
For what?
And I'm asking you if you want.
No.
Oh, where? Like where can we touch? Because I wanted us to go for foundation.
Let's go to foundation.
Oh, you go to foundation here. When you come here, you also come to foundation. And the foundation, for you, what you're going to use here is you want a column-based pad. Okay? You click on the column-based pad. You come and do the settings here. You're seeing my screen? Yes, you come and do the column settings here. The depth is they saying that the depth is auto design, like the system is going to design it. We have the what? This even the size is auto design. Let me check. Let me check. If the electricity, you leave it now. It's saying the depth of foundation is here, but you start with the 400. Let me start with the 400. You say the concrete cover. I mean the concrete class is 2530. You check. You just change these things. Here, type reinforcement. You are just using none. Bar size. The bar size we are going to use for the foundation is 12. Let's start with 12. Bar spacing 200. Bar size inside is also 12. Spacing 200. I'm going to cover 200. Then soil unit weight. Unit weight of soil is 10. 10, no 20. This is Euro code. Euro code is taking 20, yeah. characteristic friction. You also leave it at shearing resistance is there, then bearing capacity. Let's take a bearing capacity of 200. Also there, let's take a bearing capacity of 200. This is down now one, 200. Okay. So when you're done there, just come here and put the part there. Then you go to design a part base. You design part base. Yes. It has mine is done. It has finished designing my part base. Here I'm having 2.2. Here also this here is 2.1. Here is what 20.50. This is 1.35, 1.15, 1.8, 1.85, 1.9. How about this one? This is just 650 by 650. So this is just 650 by 650, you see? Let me check. Let me check. The biggest here is 2.2. Here is 2.1. Here is 2.2. So now taking this column, like this is the part footing. If we are to check, like, what is the loading of this column to bring it there? 1 to 3, which column could that be? If I tell you there are two columns, most likely this one and the other one. Let's start with this one. I right click. Right click, I go to interactive design. I check the column, everything as first here. I check here. The biggest is here. I come to interactive design and I see the design also load on this column is 860.3. Okay, that is 860.3. If you have that first, you can even calculate for the size that you want, you may need.
The size for the flow. The size for the what? For the pad.
You can calculate the size of for the pad that you can use from here. But the software has already generated for you. You understand? Get the point?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is having 860. Let's use this guy. Let me check which one is the biggest among these two. Let me check on this. I think it's that one which has the biggest. Let's take the next one. Interactive design. Static. This is having what? This one has failed how?
No, you've changed that to 6. It was 16 over that one.
This one?
As if I saw that thing changing.
I changed it, I didn't know. So it is the other column which is big. The one I saw. For this one, it's carrying 790. You get a point. You get a point?
Yeah.
Yes, 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 yes. No. Now you close it. Your footing is very ready. Excuse me. Yes, already. Yes, how are you? I'm okay. No, Auntie, I may find you have some issues. No, but the last time you used to come without even telling me. You understand? Okay. Now, you know, the bed is not calling me that why am I not looking for him? He's supposed to have a lecture today.
Why are you not looking for him?
That why am I not looking for him? Am I the one to look for him? But anyway, he's joking. He
I
did come
think that
today.
I
He's
think those
supposed
people I think those people are just planned people.
to. So you think your thing is very, very good, eh? Fast. Okay? You
Mm,
can now generate drawing. If you want to generate drawing, you come to draw. Okay?
mm,
What's your first wait? I can see first you right click on the footing, you go to what?
check them.
You see what this footing is having. You can see the loading on the footing, which is this one, the FZ. That is the loading on the footing at the smallest, 68 only. Now if you come on this, you right click to see whether it's like that, the one thing design member. See this one is having 863, the one I was saying. So that's
That
the
is the
loading. Yeah?
that is the what?
The loading on the footing, if you have to check the loading,
Mm,
you want to check the loading on the footing. So you can even generate drawing for this member. You right click, you first highlight and you right click on the one on the member. Then you generate report for this member. Okay,
mm,
generate report for this member, but for it has already generated. It even gives you the spacing. You need 11 H16 at a spacing of 225 B2. This is B1. This is B2. Bottom one, bottom two. Okay,
mm,
250 column. Then you have the analysis is the total load on the column on the footing gives you the size of the footing you need, the overall depth you need, the cover is 40, then the summary is this is how it calculated it for you. As simple as that. Then I can export it to Word. I can export to text. Let me see how I can export to text. Okay, and you can export to text. Text. Hey, this is text of words. You can export to text of words. So you can edit your things from here. Text of words. Words of text, I mean. So that is how you can export your word, your work. You can export to PDF. You can export to words. Understand?
Yeah.
Yes. Then you can come to draw. Okay. When you go to draw, you come to draw management. Under draw management, if you want to export the footing, like produce a drawing for the footing, you come, you check here for, you check foundation, isolated foundation details. Foundation detail, now this one gives you the part footing only. Now the foundation layout will start with foundation, this one. Okay.
Mm.
And then after that, click on add. After clicking on add, you say content. Then you say okay.
You have not moved them.
Eh?
You have not moved the content.
I have not moved the foundation. Yeah.
It's there.
Yeah,
Just click on content. Yeah, those ones to the other side.
yes, something like that.
Mm.
Say content.
Okay, you can say okay now.
Say view drawing. The same thing as I said. First wait. Now, if you transport, you're exporting your thing. Does it so this way?
No, mine opens directly in AutoCAD.
No, it is the problem on my PC or what? You see, it was opening. It was opening always.
It was opening with the older version of Tekla.
Later, like later, it was opening, but later it stopped.
That same Tekla or the older version you had?
The comfort zone. Then when I brought in this, it was also doing the same.
It was also opening still.
Mm.
Yeah.
Mhm.
But you can research on Google and you see how to troubleshoot it. Maybe later.
Mhm.
Those things are always happening to very many people and they always have solutions.
Mhm.
Mm.
I'll try to find a way. So yeah, that's how you can now be generating the drawings like that, like that. You come if you want, say column schedules. You go to what? You go to draw management. Whatever you want to take there, let me say it is a beam, concrete what? Concrete beam detail. There is beams, concrete column, more concrete beam details. So, and and Yes. This is by group or by level. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it takes you to this. See, man, for you to I think I don't know.
What is that error saying?
Mm. An error occurred an error occurred while opening the generated drawing. Try to open it manually. The file is located at this. That's okay. Ah.
I think when you try to generate directly, like the way you had tried to generate at first,
Mm.
generating individual, when you click on some element and you directly generate it, not using drawing management. Like you can
Even
just
though,
click on something like a column,
even though it's the same thing,
down, generate data.
generate the drawing. Here, no?
Uh,
Yeah, this is here. And click OK. It's an error occurred while opening the generated drawing.
those things are always there on what? On Google. You can even type, they bring you the same error and how to remove, how to overcome, sort of it.
Mm. I'll try to find it. Maybe something. What's the problem?
Mhm.
So, um, what is there? Password. I'll handle it later. So, Onesimus,
Go.
so now let me say you can start a drawing from the beginning up to this point,
Very well.
up, up to when you can export it.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah. Yesterday I exported everything.
Yes. Oh, that's good. Now, the next thing we should start on is what?
Detailing.
Not develop, detailing. I'll take you through the window thing.
Uh,
Is it, I'm not feeling well right now. I want to take you through wind loading. Now, for wind loading, we're going to do a structure which has like 5 floors.
mm,
Wind loading, we're going to do it on a structure which has like 5 floors, such that we can do wind load and seismic all at once. Understand?
Mm.
Then detailing. Yes, detailing we are going to do it. I'm going to do detailing. That one, detailing, we are going to do it in AutoCAD. Okay. Mm. I'm not feeling well. I don't know.
Something must be wrong.
Hmm?
Today was something else also.
Yes, today was something else. And, I even don't know how I can do the evening session.
I just need to go and first rest.
Those guys on online, AutoCAD.
You will just need to rest and see.
Mm. So I think let's just stop here. And I first rest a bit. Then maybe we'll continue. Today is Wednesday. Continue on Friday. Okay?
Oh, okay.
So okay. No, you also you keep on practicing these things. I
Yeah.
think on Friday, we are going to load. We're going to do the seismic and the wind loading together. Okay.
All right.
Seismic and wind loading. The moment we are done with seismic and wind loading, we are going for detailing.
Okay.
Also, you also prepare the balance remaining.
It's all right.
Because now detailing, I'm quite sure it won't take like 2 weeks. Now for you that you know these things, now we know even we know you know Tekla. I'll just explain for you those things because
Actually, my emphasis, you see that the slab design, mainly that ribbed slab.
how about beam?
The beam is not okay. The beam design. Okay, you might be knowing the other things which I don't know, but for it, I'm not that much like for the slab.
It's okay.
Because most people design for solid slabs.
Solid. No,
Solid.
they don't design it for solid slab. They design it for max span.
And I'm meaning like, yeah, me that's what I want to learn mostly for max span. But most people on YouTube, okay, those guys on tutorials design for solid slabs like just iron bars and concrete, and
But
which is
that
not common this side.
that one I'm going to do it next week.
It's all right.
Okay, man, we meet.
All right.